Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with my Stitch Fix unboxing for the month of April 2018, and I'm going to go ahead and just clarify that this is going to be a very specialized box. I had requested for my stylist to send me dresses and accessory pieces to wear to a wedding that I have to attend later in the month. When I had made the request, I really was kind of banking on these dresses to be wedding appropriate or, you know, just even special occasion appropriate. So this is going to be more of a specialized box in terms of boxes of the past. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right on into this month's Stitch Fix. If you guys want to see what's inside, keep on watching. I officially hit double digits when it comes to our Stitch Fixes. This is my 10th overall Stitch Fix, and these items were picked by my stylist Samantha. And for this month's box, this is really one of the cheaper boxes I've ever gotten from Stitch Fix. A lot of that has to do with because I had asked for more accessory pieces for just dresses and just, you know, keeping it in a very confined style. Where, like I said, I made the request that I wanted more wedding appropriate pieces just because, again, I really had no idea what direction I wanted to go in. But needless to say, all 5 items inside this box subtotaled for about $222 with the buy all discount of 25% off and the styling fee. This would have came to $146.50. Before we even jump on into the try on, there were 2 accessory pieces I did have my stylist pick for me, and we'll go ahead and review those first. The first thing that we have here is an accessory piece from 8 Other Reasons, and these are the Primadonna hoops, and these retail for $34. I like these because I like the brushed gold effect, if you guys can see that, where it's not like shiny gold, but it's a little bit more muted, which kind of makes it a little bit more chic and feminine. Personally, I don't wear earrings often enough to justify buying these. For the terms of the wedding, I'm probably going to just keep it very low-key when it comes to my hair and makeup because I'm going to be doing it myself and I'm not going to get elaborated with an updo, therefore I can't justify wearing earrings to the wedding. So I like them, but as I've mentioned, I think on this channel before, I'm just not somebody who wears earrings enough to want to spend the money on them comfortably because I don't wear them. They're just going to sit in my jewelry drawer, and that's why I waste my money on it. Next accessory piece we have in here is from Jill Michael, and this is the Avery Orbit cuff, and this retails for $28. I love how simple it is in design. It's just your basic little cuff bracelet, and I really like this. And for $28, this isn't awful. I have spent more on accessory pieces that I don't wear, but this is something that can be worn to the wedding. It can be worn, you know, to work, it could be worn in general. I think it's really pretty, and I'm somebody who doesn't normally take the time to find accessory pieces that I would want to wear, but I'm always wanting something. Like, I'll look at myself when I get ready in the morning and be like, something's missing. And 9 times out of 10, it's usually an accessory piece, and I'm trying to make it a fashion resolution in 2018 to when I'm buying clothes and buying outfits, buying pieces that will go with it. This will probably be a keep because I really just like this. It's very simple. It's not too dangly. It's not too loud, but it adds just enough of chic and feminism to it that will really just kind of piece together an entire look. So definitely am a big fan of this. Now that we've talked all the accessory pieces in this month's Stitch Fix, let's go ahead and go over to the try on. This is the Luxe & Co. Anabella Knit Maxi Dress. This is in an extra large, and this retails for $54. I am not normally somebody who wears maxi dresses, only because I am relatively short. I'm only 5'5", which doesn't sound very tall, but it is very awkward in styling size purposes. However, this dress, I really love it. It's a little too casual for a wedding, at least in my opinion, and where this wedding is going to be held. It does not bunch in all the wrong areas. It's very flattering because it's not too cleave appropriate, or inappropriate I should say. You know, it feels really nice, and in terms of it being a maxi dress, I could wear this to work, I could wear this out shopping, I could wear this on so many different magnitudes of events and things in my life that I really do love it. It's very simplistic. It's a perfect maxi dress, and again, I love it's not too long on me. So even if I were to wear this with heels, if I were to wear this with like a wedge, if I were to wear this with flats, it would be perfect. The only thing is, when I look down, I feel because of the light flower, I'm like, oh my god, like I feel like I'm exposed. But like, as you can tell, this is really high rise. Just very simple, very pretty for a maxi dress. I might keep this just to keep because it's really comfy. It can be paired with a jean jacket to keep it really casual. It can be, you know, worn on its own. It's just, it's so pretty and it's so comfy and it's so, it's really flattering. This is the French Gray Melcy Brush Knit Dress. This is in a size extra large and this retails for $38. Before we even begin, this is definitely not wedding appropriate, 100%. It's very much a cute, casual swing dress to wear like if you're going shopping, going sightseeing, whatever. This is definitely not wedding appropriate, flat off. Because this is not wedding appropriate, I don't want this to cloud my judgment on this dress because A, this dress is very comfortable, very swingy, very flowy, very loose fitting, but yet tight in the right areas. I love the color. As I've mentioned on this channel, that cobalt blue is just really something that just stands out for me. And I really do like the color. Very cute, like swing dress that you could pair with a pair of like little Ked sneakers, Sperry sneakers. You can wear it with Sperry's. I could see myself wearing this like when we go to Germany sightseeing. It's very breezy, very comfortable. It's not constricting. I like how the arms kind of are a little loose. I like how it dips down a little bit more, so it's a little more flirty in terms of the cut. It's not a bad dress for $38, but it's just definitely not wedding appropriate. This is the 9 Britton Neela Scallop Detail Knit Dress. This is in a size extra large and this retails for $68. Last month I had picked up a 9 Britton dress, which was that black, very flowy, girly, cute, flirty dress. That was like hands down my favorite thing I've ever picked in a Stitch Fix. And when I saw that I was getting another 9 Britton dress, your girl was stoked. I am not somebody who normally ventures out to wear red. It's just not my color scheme, just for whatever case in point, but this dress is really cute. I saw the scallop detailing, which was very similar to the one black dress that I picked up from 9 Britton last month. I was really excited because I thought it was going to give enough of a flirty, fun detail, but with it being on, I'm just not in love with it. Like, I like it, but I think for $68, I'm not sold on it. Out of the 3 dresses, this is definitely by far the more appropriate for wedding season, but I don't know. I thought that this was going to be the winner when I pulled it out of the box. Come to find out that, you know, just because it looks good on the bed does not mean it's going to look good on the body. Continue to lose weight. This is only going to go smaller, which means it's going to get bigger. And if I were to tighten this and go with a large, I'm afraid I'm going to be compensating in other areas. So I don't know. I'm a little disappointed, not gonna lie. That was everything that I got in this month's Stitch Fix, so thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I get new Stitch Fixes. This month's box, I really was a big fan of all the dresses individually. I think in terms of the wedding though, all of them were just a little too simple for me. When I think wedding, I think something that, you know, it doesn't look cheap. I actually found a dress before the Stitch Fix even came and I tried it on, really liked it, and you know, I spent $31 on it at Express and I can't complain. These dresses are beautiful in their own sense. I would definitely keep some of these, if not for future consideration, but if not in this month's fix. And you know, for the wedding they weren't appropriate, but for the dresses themselves for spring and summer, absolutely gorgeous. I will be sure to do a full blog review of all the items inside this month's fix over at my blog, and you guys can check that out at Life with Sarah or at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, and I'll be sure to link all my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. And I just wish that there were a little bit more formally looking pieces. Like, these aren't bad dresses at all, and price points are perfect, which I think is kind of why I'm not in love with them, because when you think of wedding dresses or if you think of dresses to wear to formal events, you are spending a little bit more for higher quality. I'm not mad by this month's box by any means, but for what I had in mind and comparing to what I have already bought for the wedding, you know, I think I'm just already set in stone for the dress that I have. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Always appreciated. Take care. Love you always. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.